What's up YouTube? Fun project today. Today is all about getting kids into the workshop and making something fun. So we're gonna do that with wood and glow-in-the-dark resin. First step is we're gonna cut out a big wood circle. We cut out a circle on the CNC. Now we're gonna drill a whole bunch of holes in it. Yeah, however much you want. Which one's that one? Kind of pinkish, salmony.
Salmon. You need 2 more cups.
Lemony?
Yeah, lemon.
Cool. Mmm. Awesome. Awesome. All right, let's stir it. This is gonna be the coolest wall art ever.
But where we can hang it? Maybe like by the window.
Almost kind of like a not a wind chime, a sun. You know what I'm talking about, the rainbows with the sun shines on it. Like you use like rainbow glass, different color glass, and the sun.
Stained glass.
Stained glass. Yes, stained glass. That's what I'm talking about. Let it keep pouring.
Perfect.
Awesome.
When
Cool.
you said put the blue into the blue, I
say put the blue in the blue? Why would we put the blue in the blue? That makes no sense. Who would say that? Okay. That's okay. I wonder if that one was supposed to be orange.
No.
Huh?
Maybe.
Do you only get one orange? Look, you got R, R. I think this is supposed to be an orange too. Because why would you have two R's next to each other?
I exactly said that. I'm having 2 R's next to each other.
All right, so you just have the one orange?
Yes.
No more oranges, just one.
Yes.
Stir that resin. Stir that resin. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, that's crazy. That looks really cool. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, that's good. That's a good color. Looks like Gatorade.
It looks more like snow.
People put this on their nails. I didn't even think about that. You mix it with nail polish too. Boom. Nailed it. Oh!
The salmon looks orange.
How cool is that? So we'll check it tomorrow.
Okay.
New day in the shop. We have our art all sanded up. Now it's time to apply finish. We're gonna go really simple. We're gonna do orange oil and beeswax. Don't eat it.
I won't.
That looks cool. And it's nice and smooth. Made the purple come to life.
Yeah.
I think the Gatorade color is my favorite.
Yeah.
I think it looks cool with this wood, especially next to the purple. How you have these two right here.
It's like using a Clorox wipe and wiping off like smears of a marker on a table.
Do you have a lot of experience putting marker on table?
Yes, almost every single time I draw, I always get some marker on the table somehow.
I wouldn't realize that you did that.
At the edges when you need color. And when you take the paper up, it's just everywhere on the table.
I'm sure that we can figure out a way to fix that.
I can also smell it.
Smells delicious. I don't know what you think. I mean, we can't eat it obviously, but
It smells like a mix of lemon, lime, oranges, and like a bit of banana.
So like a fruit cocktail? I got a frog in my throat. I have a Thor frog in my throat. The worst kind of frog to have in your throat is a Thor frog.
Like, what if there was a frog in your throat, but you didn't eat or swallow frog?
So like it got in there without me swallowing it?
Yes.
Yeah, we don't want that. Okay, which way do we want to hang it? What's up?
Here.
This is up?
Yes.
To hang this, we're gonna use some, sawtooth hangers. I call them alligator clips, I don't know why. Because they don't close. I mean like, because you could also call them dinosaur teeth. All right, don't hammer my finger off.
I won't.
Excellent. You did a good job. That was some steady hammering. Hole punch. And we just put it on top of the nail, like this.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Everything you have to use for nails need to be super loud.
Yeah, that's what's fun about it. And then we could put some bumpers right there.
I think I've got it.
Yeah.
Now.
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah.
You got it. You got it. There you go. Right.
Yeah.
Like that. Ta-da! Do, 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 do. I think this project turned out really, really cool. What do you think?
It's good.
It's good. This is a great project for if you want to get kids in the shop, let them show their creativity. Try out something like this. It doesn't have to be a really complex project for the kids to have fun and to make something really awesome. So if you enjoyed this video, then please subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Until next time, get in your shop and build something awesome like this.